Bullish ARK, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.72 and $3.74 by 2030. Market examiners accept ARK could reach $1.72 by 2025. Bearish ARK market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.305195. ARK, presentation. ARK plans to make the most common way of making a blockchain simpler for people who maintain that should do as such with the assistance of its environment. Clients can modify different components, including charges, cache, and modules, in a way like that of a web designer. The essential money interfacing this large number of created networks together is called ARK, and so the ARK cost is down 17.44% as of late, notwithstanding having a wealth of utilization cases. We should study ARK's set of experiences first, and afterward bounce into its cost forecast. What is ARK? Designers can construct their own blockchain utilizing the ARK environment. Interoperability, formats, and customization are only a couple of benefits of making your own venture on the ARK blockchain. Indeed, even while chasing after a blockchain venture might seem troublesome, ARK has made it as basic as could be expected. That was the thinking behind choosing JavaScript and TypeScript as the biological system's essential programming dialects. The ARK deployer instrument is utilized to begin an engineer's blockchain. Information handles that can be modified incorporate name, exchange costs, ticker, image, and others. This offers the engineers the capacity to plan a blockchain that works for them. Engineers can sort out their groups utilizing the device's administration framework. The ARK Programming Improvement Pack, SDK, which gives additional customization choices including money determination, is one of the engineer instruments accessible. The numerous modules and local wallet of ARK can be utilized by projects based on it. The environment's money, called ARK, has numerous applications. Generally, network clients and designers use it as a speedy and reasonable stockpiling of significant worth. A assigned verification of stake agreement is utilized by Bitcoin, in which 51 representatives are assigned to vouch for or manufacture blocks. By permitting token holders to stake their tokens to pick a representative, ARK decreases the worries of centralization that have distressed different organizations. ARK, Central Investigation. The ARK organization and its local coin was sent off in 2017. The typical exchanging cost of the ARK coin was 3 cents then, at that point. Notwithstanding the underlying absence of movement, it turned bullish at the finish of the year and encountered its biggest forward leap. Starting in December, the second cycle of ARK was delivered, and subsequently, its base cost esteem soar. That very day, its wallet was likewise refreshed, upgrading the agent casting a ballot UI. ARK took off to a most extreme worth of $10.91. It couldn't keep up with this most extreme cost level, however, and during the next months it fell abruptly. By the finish of that year, the cost of ARK had essentially declined from $1, shutting 2018 at 38 cents. Up until its ensuing bounce back over 2 years after the fact, it exchanged beneath past normal cost. Jerk's reconciliation of the tipping framework CoinKit in 2021 made it workable for clients to tip designers on the live streaming site by sending them ARK, and so the environment likewise completed its Market Square highlight in late walk and made it accessible to ARK colleagues, making walk a bustling month. Before long, ARK encountered its most exorbitant cost ascend to $3.98. Sometime thereafter in September, ARK again moved toward that level. The organization's third rendition went live. This overhaul upgraded the environment's apparatuses, framework, and numerous different highlights. It saw one more meeting in 2022 as another update to Form 3 went live, which fixed messes with and further developed security. ARK crested at a most extreme worth of $1.67 then, at that point, however has since fallen and is exchanging at any rate cost of 77 cents. ARK, Specialized Investigation. Most of forecasters have positive expectations for Arkansas as per a wallet investor's value projection of the ARK coin. It is astounding speculation that will transcend $1 in a year and afterward outperform the $3 mark in 5 years. Tech News Leader predicts that the cost of ARK cryptographic money will outperform the ongoing price tag of $1 this year and cross $3.50 in 5 years. In 10 years the ARK cost conjecture is at a most extreme cost worth of $21. Price prediction made a comparative gauge, foreseeing that the ARK coin will exchange at a typical cost of more than $3.50 in 5 to 6 years. It extends that the most extreme cost of ARK money will be more than $24 in 10 years. ARK, ARK, current cost. ARK is presently worth $0.381493 ARK has moved -0.66% as of now with an exchanging volume of $2,899,724. ARK is presently positioned 953 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $53,436,808. ARK, ARK, Value Forecast 2022. ARK, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. ARK. The ARK cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0.572240. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.534090 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. ARK is supposed to have a base worth of $0.457792. ARK, ARK, Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, ARK cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ARK will before long outperform $0.953733. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the ARK's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ARK will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.762986 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.839285. ARK, ARK, Value Expectation 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.34 in ARK